are. There's the cloud cover I was mentioning, already seen on our home view here in Lexington. The clouds will thicken up as we go over the next few hours, seeing them spread into Richmond as well. But the wind is going to pick up as we head through time today, and that wind is a warmer wind. It may not feel like it because the temperatures will be chilly, but that direction that wind is coming from is a warmer air mass that will spread in here by the afternoon. It's already warmer this morning. How much warmer? 20 to 25 degrees warmer this morning compared to this same time yesterday when we were way down in the single digits and even below zero. So this does feel better. If you were outside yesterday morning at this time, you noticed the difference this morning. There are the numbers in terms of the temperature change. 20 degrees warmer in Danville, 23 degrees warmer in Monticello, 25 degrees warmer in Hazard, and also into Pikeville. So as we go through time, there are the clouds spreading in here. These are clouds that are going to obviously slow the warming down, but still look at the difference here. Where the sun peeks through the clouds more, we'll have a shot to run at 50, maybe into the 50s. That will be southern Kentucky, though, because for most of us, we'll be socked in at least a mostly cloudy sky at times, and that keeps our temperatures likely in the near the 40-degree mark here in central Kentucky, but warmer to the south. Here's a wider view showing the clouds spreading in here. Winds today out of the south-southwest between 10 and 15, so it will be breezy, and that makes it feel a little on the chilly side for sure. Tomorrow, the wind is there again. It'll be a breezy day, but even warmer tomorrow than it'll be across the state today. Here comes the next rain chance, though. That holds off until Thursday, and we'll get to that in just a moment. So the spots that are the coldest farther north, where we still could have some upper 30s to low 40s in the Bluegrass, to the south, at least upper 40s to maybe near 50 by the time you're toward Williamsburg, but clouds increase today and still breezy. Mostly cloudy, still breezy overnight. I think a lot of us are staying north of 30 degrees just because of the increased wind. The chilly air mass to milder air mass continues to build in by Thursday. We could even replace that word with the verbiage with milder, because we'll be into the 50s, maybe even pushing close to 60, if not in the 60s in spots. But there is a rain chance that comes in, especially by Thursday afternoon through Thursday night. Friday morning turning colder, and if there's any moisture left, we could see that potentially switch over to some flurries or some snow showers. What a crazy drop from 56 to the low to mid 30s for highs on Friday. But we're back up to near 50 quickly, just like that. Flip of a switch on Saturday. Small chance for showers Sunday and Monday. Some data is not so sold on we're having much moisture with that. That's why we'll keep the rain chance small for now. But at least it's up from here. Temperatures going up.